welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we'll be making a homemade lava lamp. So on my side we have oil, and I have water bottle, and what do you have on your side?
Food coloring, and
I don't know the name. Alka-Seltzer. We'll just say Alka-Seltzer, okay? And what do you have right here?
a water bottle.
And we have a flashlight because it's not dark outside. So let's get started.
You can probably get blue.
Okay guys, so we are gonna pour the water to about right there.
And I'm gonna put mine right there.
So I think I put a little too much water because I'm horrible at pouring water.
Okay, guys.
Okay. So now we're gonna pick which food coloring.
No, I'm supposed to pour it in now.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Sorry. So we have our food coloring ready.
She have blue and I have red.
We're like twins.
Yeah.
So next we're going to put the food coloring in.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. I think mine is too blue. Yours looks like blood.
Yeah. I wish I had some on the side. I just have a lid on the
I
side.
don't know why. 4, 2,
3.
Just pour, don't say.
3. Right there. Use the
What does it say to 3 on there?
right here. See how I was telling you about the bubbles?
Pour.
This is one. And this. Now we're doing the. Okay, guys. So we're gonna do this at the same time. So 3, 2, 1. What?
Keep putting it.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I don't have no more.
That's why I broke mine in half.
Can I get another one?
Alright, I don't have any more.
Get another one.
Can you hear me another one? This is cool.
Oh. That is so cool. Keep hitting them. Just keep hitting them. Just keep going.
Save some. Cause I see them like dissolving in his. I see some like dissolving like right here and they're flowing up to the top.
One more. One more.
That's
One
so
more.
cool.
You don't listen.
That's so cool.
Do you know this still has to come up so that we'll get to right here?
It's a chemical action.
It's so
It's popping up.
I can see it right here, like
Yeah.
those little bubbles. You see it? I don't think y'all can see it,
Whoa.
but it's so cool, like a little water fountain.
That is so cool. It is like a water fountain. That's so cool. Wait, let's flash the light on it.
Oh.
It ain't dark enough in here.
Now all that
Now
gunk
it's going
that's
to
at
the bottom.
is at the top.
That ain't how you do it.
That's not how you're
hold
supposed
it
to do
up
it.
and
You're
then
supposed to
do
do
it.
like this and flashlight be right here. Should we rate this? I think I want to rate
That's
it.
cool.
So I'll give this.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to look. Long as it's just supposed to be dark.
I like these because it's like a peachy color at the top and then at the bottom. So, I'll give mine a 9 out of 10.
I'll give mine a 10 out of 10.
I'm not giving it a 10 because it was really messy. Really messy.
I'm giving mine a 10 out of 10.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this homemade science experiment. And we'll try to do a science experiment once a week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.
I can probably sleep with this.